What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So today we got another product from HadinEEon. So this is a blender. Let's unbox it and we're going to do some testing after. Well, don't forget to like and sub. So this product is actually has 300 watts of power, so it's quite powerful. All right, once you open it up, you have user manual. Gonna look through that in a little bit, and then free gift. So don't forget to register your product after, and also a warranty card, 3 years warranty. All right. So what do we have here? A washer, a bottle, a smaller bottle. Oh, this is perfect. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's in there pretty tight. There we go. Oh, this is the blade. Okay, so the inside the blade, there's a washer. So I think this one is a spare for replacement in case something happened with the first one. So that's very convenient. All right, here is the blender itself. It's quite light. I mean, it's sturdy by all means, but I would imagine a little bit heavier. But yeah, here we go. It looks very, very nice. Not sure if the camera can pick it up, but this looks really fancy with the color scheme that they have here. So here are the bottles. Oh, so you just put the blades inside. Oh, this is convenient. So once you blend it, you just put the cap on top and you can start drinking it. Let's see. There's an arrow sign. Oh, so you twist to lock into place. You go the other way, counterclockwise, then it's released. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go wash this and then we're gonna do some testing. All right, guys, so we have finished washing this. The washing process is very simple. You just use soapy water to wash all the parts. This container is not glass, it's plastic, but it's BPA free. So you can be sure to be using it without any issues or concern that you might have. So for the blender itself, this is very unique looking. And I especially like they have a handle on the back, so it's easy for you to transport. Say if you have to move from one end of the counter to the other end, you can definitely do so. It's easy to carry. Now, the same goes with all the containers that they have. They also have a handle. So it's easy for you to carry once you have your smoothie or protein shake ready, and you can just grab and go. And some other feature it has is the adjustable speed. The P is for pulsing, the 0 is for off, 1 is for low speed, and then 2 for high speed. Now it does have a overheating protection, meaning that if you blend it for over a minute, it will just automatically shut off to prevent overheating. Now, it doesn't mean that the machine is broken. It just means that it has to cool off until you use it. And according to the manual, it can also blend avocado or banana as well. So we're going to try that in a little bit. Oh, by the way, each container has a level. The small one goes up to 300 ml and the large one goes up to 600 ml. So that line is for the maximum capacity. So if 300 ml bottle, the small one, only fill up to that level. As far as for the big one, only up to 600 ml. Otherwise, the machine might not be able to blend all that well. Okay, let's make applesauce. The applesauce is going to be really, really simple. It's just apples. There are a total of 2 medium-sized apple here. I'm not going to use it all and just see if I can fill up to the 300 ml level. And then here are some water to help it to blend, because this is not a food processor, so you do need some water in there to help it to blend it well. Okay, let me pour this in there. Okay, so this is roughly about 300 ml. It looks a little bit over, but it should be okay because there's a lot of space in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of water into it. Close the lid. And lock into position. Now, it suggests to use the pulsing to get rid of the bigger chunk first, and then go into the either low speed or high speed, however you desire. So let's pulse for a little bit. Okay, now the pulsing is working. It got a little bit smaller. Then I'll change the setting to 1. Yeah, it looks as finished. Okay, it's a little bit liquidy because I think I poured too much water into it. So this is gonna be for the baby to snack on later on. So yeah, it come out to be pretty good. It's very liquefied and there's no more chunks in here. So yeah, it does applesauce. All right, guys. So I have the ingredients for the guacamole. I have 1 jalapeno, 2 avocado, half onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 lime, and some salt and pepper. So for this one, I'm going to use the bigger bottle, which is 600 ml. I'm just going to start pouring the solid ones first. It goes all the jalapenos and the garlics. And then the onion. All right, gonna squeeze some of the lime juice in here. Gonna use the Zule squeezer. Okay, I'm gonna add the salt and pepper. Close the lid. And then pulse a couple of times. Now, I use the handle to just shake it because I'm too lazy to take it out to shake it that way. All right, now I'm going to add in the avocado. Yeah, as advertised, it does blend in the avocado. Now it's like really pasty. All right, let's try with a chip. Well, so here is the guacamole I just made, and let's try it. It's really, really creamy. It's really good. Oh, this is some good guac. Well, the consistency is really creamy, so you can just make it at home with this little blender. Now, next we're gonna try to blend some ice. So I'm gonna make a smoothie. All right, guys, so lastly, I'm gonna do some smoothie. I have the small bottle here. Basically, I want to test out the ice, see if how well the blend will do on the ice. So yeah, I have some of the ingredients here: banana, blueberry, and blackberry. So yeah, and I have oat milk as well. So this one is called for 300 ml. I'm just gonna fill as much as I can. Probably not gonna use all the ingredients. See how it will go. Try a couple eyes in here. Oh, it's at the 300 ml already. Now, within the manual instruction itself, they do provide you with some recipes, so you can also follow that as well. But I mean, just for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna use whatever I have in the fridge, and this just so happened to be what we have. So yeah, lock this thing down. So first you want to pause a little bit, just kind of get the big chunks out of the way. And then turn the speed. Yeah, just done. That was really quick. The ice is already got crushed and all blend in. Now what I'm going to do is just switch the top into the smoothie cap. And there, let's try it. Whoa, that's very creamy. Yeah, I like this. Well, there you have it, folks. So as you can see, this thing can make applesauce, make guacamole, and even crush ice with ease. So yeah, this thing really works really well. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind is that every now and then you might want to shake, like pour the bottle out to shake it to kind of make everything a little bit even. So what I end up doing, like doing the lazy way, I just use this and shake it up and down and make sure the stuff inside is get crushed, and then do the pulsing, and then so that way you can blend the big chunk out of the way, and then I can turn to low speed or high speed to get more mix. So overall, I'm really pleased with the product. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it. Until next time, cheers!